Welcome to all NEET aspirants. Today the fast track revision of the inflorescence with regard to the diagram, that is cymose inflorescence, that is dicacial sign. And with regard to first question, total number of flowers in that inflorescence. So total number of flowers in that inflorescence, it is the 7 flowers. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 and it is 1. Total number of flowers, it is the 7 in case of the dicacial sign. So it is the 7 flowers. And second question, number of generations of varieties flowering. It is the first generation flowering and it is second generation flowering and it is third generation flowering. So total number of generations of flowering, it is 3 generations of flowering. So number of generations of flowering 1, 2 and it is 3 generations of flowering. How many number of branches in that inflorescence? So as it is a dicacial sign, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So number of branches, it is 6 number of branches. How many number of generations of varieties the branching? Number of generations of branching, it is the first generation branching and it is second generation branching. Number of branches 6, number of generations of branching, it is the 2. With regard to fifth question, number of flowers in third generation flowering. It is the first generation flowering. In second generation flowering, it is 2 flowers. In third generation flowering, it is 4 flowers. So number of flowers in third generation flowering. First generation, it is 1. Second generation 2. In third generation, it is the 4. So number of flowers in third generation flowering, it is the 4. And sixth question, ratio of branches to flowers. Number of branches 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 branches. And flowers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 6 branches to 7 flowers. Ratio of number of flowers in first, second, third generations flowering. In first generation flowering, number of flowers 1. Second generation flowering, number of flowers 2. Third generation flowering, number of flowers, it is 4. So 1 is to 2 is to 4. First generation flowering 1, second generation flowering 2, third generation flowering, it is 4. So number of generations of flowering, it is 3. Number of flowers, it is 7. Number of branches, it is the 6. So it is ratio of number of flowers in first, second, third generation of flowering 1 is to 2 is to 4. With regard to this 8th question, definite inflorescence. Limited number of flowers are present, so it is a definite inflorescence, diachial sign. So it is the true. Centrifugal opening of flowers. In case of racemose, centripetal opening of flowers. In the center to the periphery, centrifugal opening of flowers. So it is the true. Centrifugal opening of flowers. 10th question, terminal bud modified. So terminal bud, it is modified into flower. That's why it is a definite inflorescence. So it is the true. And we covered the total questions which related to the inflorescence, that is diagrammatic representation present in NCERT text. So we can extract the number of questions like this. Number of flowers 7, number of branches it is 6, number of generations of flowering it is 3 generations of flowering, number of generations of branching 2 generations of branching. In first generation of flowering 1 flower, second generation of flowering 2 flower, third generation of flowering 4 flowers. Like this, it is a definite inflorescence, centrifugal opening of flowers. So we can extract such information from number of the diagrams represented in NCERT text. So keep watching our video classes. Thank you very much.